What is up, my fellow wedding filmmakers? My name is Seth Russo, and I am a business owner and freelance filmmaker based in Los Angeles, California. And this is an honest review of Philip White's Masterclass. After watching this review, the following 3 questions will be answered. Number 1, why I purchased the course. Number 2, what's in the course. And number 3, should you purchase the course? First off, why did I purchase the course? Well, I've been a filmmaker for the past 6 years, and here's a quick peek at some of the wedding work that I've done.
I wanna be the one to stand out in the crowd with you. Every night is young when you hold me like I want you to do. Hands reach in between all of the spaces we leave, closing in on us, we come alive, giving everything away into the night. Let it go now.
I have always struggled to find ways to get better. When I first started, I would make massive leaps, but the progress just naturally slowed down over time. You see, there are plenty of other courses on this exact subject, but the majority of them were just much more focused on the technical aspects of filmmaking, and I already had that down. In fact, most of the technical stuff is available all over YouTube, so there really was just no reason for me to pay for it. But one day, I came across this guy named Philip White, and his work absolutely blew me away. I'd never seen anything like it in the wedding industry. Honestly, his stuff was better than most real films. If you haven't seen anything he's done, I highly recommend checking him out. Check out the Paris film. It's literally gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna put a link below so you can watch it. It was right then and there that I knew I needed to take this masterclass. I knew that if the course even offered just a small glimpse into his workflow, that it would be worth whatever the price was. Thankfully, the course was actually priced extremely well, so I purchased it. You see, normally I would have used this money for a new lens or a new piece of gear, but I was already at the point where I was shooting with a camera that I loved, and I knew that newer gear just wasn't really gonna make my film significantly better. Okay, the second question, what is in the course? The course is split up into 3 sections: filming, editing, and business. Let's first dive into the filming section. In here, he walks you through every single thing he does. This section completely blows the lid off how you make truly cinematic films. He breaks down everything he does. Of course, learn all of the technical aspects such as equipment choices, camera settings, color grading, how to capture the perfect audio. But the most valuable part of this section is how he trains you to think. After taking the course, I began to see things in a completely different way. Philip literally retrained my brain to shoot more cinematically. I kid you not. It felt a lot like riding a bike. Once you get it, you never forget. I now apply the principles I learned to all of my filmmaking. It's really great timing too, because as camera technology gets better, the industry is getting more saturated with new filmmakers. And the newer technology is allowing these inexperienced filmmakers to capture beautiful, crisp images. This masterclass has given me the edge that I've been seeking. So here's just a quick example of my shooting before the masterclass and after the masterclass.
I wanna take you to a distant star and start a colony. You know it doesn't matter who we are, we'll be the king and queen. Different shade of blue over me and
It has made a massive difference in how my films look and how happy my clients are when they receive them. And as you know, the best marketing in the world are happy clients that tell all their friends and families about you. All right, let's jump into section 2. Editing. I don't know about you, but backlog is a real issue for me. It stresses me out and keeps me from growing my business. This section addresses that exact problem. It has made me an efficient, fast editor. Say goodbye to backlog once and for all. Now, the coolest part about this section is that he allows you to edit with him. You get to download all the files he's editing with, and then he walks you through everything step by step. By the end of this section, you will understand exactly how to edit a film in a single day. You'll be a master at picking the right music for your films, and you'll learn how to tell an extremely compelling story. Now there's a bonus business section. I didn't purchase the course for this, but the section completely blew me away. Philip's been shooting luxury weddings all over the world, so he's just the best person to learn how to book these weddings. He breaks down the process he uses and shows you exactly how you can do the same thing. It really helped me dial in my pricing and packaging and has allowed me to start booking the weddings that I want, not just booking weddings because I need the money. All right, that's a quick rundown of the course. Now to answer the final question, should you purchase the course? Simply put, this course is for anyone looking to become a significantly more polished filmmaker. If you're looking to become better at operating your camera, this course isn't for you. I would honestly recommend free content on YouTube. If you're looking to become a more sophisticated storyteller who wants to start booking international luxury weddings, then yes, this course is for you. We live in a day and age where gear is worshipped. You will certainly become better at operating your camera, but it's not the central focus. I very rarely purchase courses because there's just so much free information out there. But the information in this masterclass was stuff that I simply couldn't find anywhere. I can't tell you how long I've spent on YouTube and Google, literally probably shaved about a year off my life, trying to find the information to become a better filmmaker. I even attended one of the best film schools in the country, literally ranked number 4 in the entire country. And this course blows all of that information out of the water. I kid you not, I learned more in this masterclass than I did in a graduate level program at one of the best film schools in the entire country. Overall, I have to give this course an A+. It over-delivered on everything and was way more valuable than I expected it to be. I would 100% recommend it to all filmmakers. Don't hesitate to take the first step to becoming a world-class storyteller. All right, guys, until next time.